Delta Faucet with diamond seal technology performs like new for life with a patented design that reduces leak points, is less hassle to install, and lasts twice as long as the industry standard. Designed to look like new for life, Brilliance finishes are developed using a proprietary process that creates a durable, long-lasting finish that is guaranteed not to corrode, tarnish or discolor. You can install with confidence, knowing that Delta Faucet is backed by our lifetime limited warranty. Delta WaterSense labeled faucet, showers, and toilets use at least 20% less water than the industry standard, saving you money without compromising performance. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Lifetime limited warranty. You can install with confidence, knowing this bathroom faucet is backed by Delta Faucet's lifetime limited warranty. Number 2. Lasts 2x longer. Diamond seal technology uses a patented design to reduce leak points and last twice as long as the industry standard. Industry standard is based on ASME A112, 18.1 of 500,000 cycles. Number 3. Supply lines included. Innoflex PEX supply lines are integrated into the faucet for one less potential leak point and are conveniently included in the box. Number 4. Reduce leaks. Diamond valve, a diamond-embedded ceramic disc, requires no lubrication and eliminates wear on seals, so you can rest assured that this faucet will perform like new for life. Number 5. Easy installation. Designed to fit 3-hole, 4 to 16 in. Widespread configurations. Everything you need is together in one box, including a coordinating metal pop-up drain assembly. Number 6. ADA-compliant lever handles provide precise temperature and volume control. Number 7. WaterSense labeled faucet uses at least 20% less water than the industry standard without compromising performance. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.